waiting for a train. Both Incline railway has seen better days. But they've got the money to destroy the green belt around Springwell village. Me problem. And I'm not on about the quarry. I'm not talking about the quarry we're looking at. I'm on about destruction of the green belt around Springwell village. I don't even want to show you. It was all open field in the past, but it's now, I don't know what they're building here. It's all for the sake of profit. They destroy everything. I think it's an industrial park or something they must be building here. And lush green fields had to give way, and it's basically around the Springwell village. The landscape is changing, and the quarry has always been here. As I say, I'm not talking about the quarry. We have to look further this direction to see the damage they're doing, but I'm not going to show you today. It would take us a while to get there. Actually, I can a bit more of an impression from the quarry. There's more activity now, especially on top of the hill is action as well, if you might have noticed. I was here on Friday, and there was even more action going on. They had diggers working up in that corner. Now one of them must have broken down, so the operation has stopped temporarily. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4. I counted 6 of these shovel diggers. They were in action last Friday. They basically bring the rubble here from all over. Then it gets shredded into finer stuff, and that digger here picks it up and piles it up there, and then it's being used for, I don't know, for roadworks or whatever they're using it for, or to build industrial parks. And we're gonna have a look. Now, I don't want this video to get too long. Maybe we get a glimpse of what I was on about. Towards the east of the village, I would say. Actually, when I pass it in my car, I might just pick up a few images later on. No, we cannot spot it from here, so I switch off now, and I might pass it in the car in a few minutes, and we pick it up. Yeah, you might wonder what the blue digger with his crab claw is doing. It's easy. It picks up the metal from among the rubble, and then he puts it to this side, on the right hand side next to him. He basically separates the metal from all that rubble. It's broken up concrete, and it was reinforced with steel, so that that crab claw digger picks up the metal. Will be scrap metal, can sell it for a profit. And if you look at it at the top of the hill, where they delivered new loads of rubble, there's lots of metal sticking out of it. So it was once reinforced concrete. Where they got it from, I don't know. But they use it they shred it and use it for new roads or new industrial parks. There are a few around here, new ones. Not just existing ones, they build new ones all the time. So gonna have a look at what the situation in the further east is. This was all green belt at one time. Now look at it. I reckon it's gonna be a warehouse or something. It was all lush green fields. Horses running about, and it's all being developed now. There were protests. It was called Save the Green Belt, but they pay no attention. The people have got nothing to say, you know. What counts is the profit. It's outside Springwell village. Same here. This was all green fields, like further up over there where you see the horses. This was all occupied by horses, lush green fields. And look at it now. Same here on this side. Where is it gonna end? I wonder. Where is it gonna end? Yeah, the people have got nothing to say. Actually, the people don't count.